And bam, you're in escrow. They accepted your offer. What to expect next? You should order your home inspection and do it as soon as possible. So here are some things to keep in mind. Your home inspection is going to be somewhere in the ballpark of $400 to $600 depending on the scope of work and the size of the home. It can take, sometimes up to 3 hours, so expect there to be quite significant amount of time for the inspector to do his job. Your realtor will also be there. They will most likely be completing their AVID, which is an inspection report necessary for escrow. So you're gonna have a lot of time on your hand. And what should you do as a buyer? Well, you should have pen and paper and maybe have a list of questions prepared for your home inspector. And this is a perfect opportunity to ask those questions. You should also bring a tape measure. Maybe you can already start to measure the dimensions of the rooms and have your furniture layout prepared so that once you move in, you know what fits and what doesn't. And then lastly, you should walk around the neighborhood, check it out, see if it's a neighborhood that you like. So these are some things to keep in mind in regards to your home inspection. If you have any questions, just let us know. And again, want to wish you all the best. Take care.